I guide you to add notes on Instagram. For that, go to your Instagram. Here you can go for the messages and there you can find your note. From there, tap on now that shared note will be visible for 24 hours and the friends can reply with a message for you. And here you can type whatever the thoughts that you have and or otherwise you can share the music. Let me say I'll tap on hi and I'll share the followers you follow back will be shared and they can see this. So this is a way that you can add notes on Instagram or otherwise you can tap on profile. In the profile you can see the note here. If you tap on that you can leave a new note or otherwise you can delete a note. If you tap on leave a new note, then here you can add the music or otherwise your thoughts or the sentences or any of the messages. You can even tag people around here. This is how you can add notes on Instagram. Thank you.